Well, thank you very much. I'm sure you are aware that I'm a member of the NNPP, and I am the leader and presidential candidate of the party. So I'm going around the country. I'm happy I'm here to get, today in Edo State, and I'm even happier that my good friend and brother uh, came here. In fact, he gave me the accommodation and all other logistics to stay here. And of course, with his deputy, that you can see here, we have always been together. We are brothers and sisters in the game of politics. And I'm so happy that I came to this state. And they did all what they could to make my visit a success, even though we're in two different parties. And it's a small world. When they were having an election, we were in the same party. I came here and lived in this same building for days to mobilize some friends to support them. Now we're in different parties, but that has nothing to do with our personal relationship. When the election comes, they go and do their own. I take the other side and do our own, my own. And by the grace of God, we'll continue to be brothers. We are being endorsed by the masses of this country. And that's the fact of the matter. And let me tell you, I think some people don't even understand the realities on the ground now. Today, every Nigerian is looking for a way out. Everybody has got one issue or the other that have to do with serious concern. Nobody is waiting for his neighbor or any leader to say, this is the way. And that, I think, many people should try and remember that. And some of the people, they are alleging, we have seen it on the news, that they are supporting or they are endorsing Mr. A or Mr. B. I think it was a big mistake. These are leaders we respect. There is a time in your life that you should become a real statesman, not a politician. And I can tell you also that any candidate, any party that comes out with the face of ethnicity or comes with the issue of religion, that party, that candidate, I can assure you at the national level that that person has failed the election even before it starts. I was in the Constitutional Conference of 94-95. I was an elected delegate. And deliberately, going by what we have seen in the 1979 Constitution, we decided to bring this 2/3, 25% in 2/3 of the states. Very important. If the entire North with 19 states decide to vote for me, I cannot be president. And also, even the South. And no religion will come and say, yes, you are the one, and you become. No ethnicity. And see, if we have to advise people, especially those of us who have been in the game for some time now, just prove yourself over the years. Remove any fear. There are people who are afraid of some candidates. And people are even wondering whether they are coming with the face of a united Nigeria or seceding or whatever, their own portion of the country. So there are a lot of confusion, and under confusion, we are sure those guys will lose the election. Certainly not now. Few days, few weeks to election, all those guys, you see, they realize they have lost the election. So the only thing remaining now is to spread rumor. Kwankwaso is joining. Kwankwaso is joining. It's absolute nonsense. It won't happen. Let's go for an election. In any case, I was in PDP. I was in the APC, just like him. We are all there. We know them. It's not people that we don't know. These are people we know, and we know them very well. And we just want Nigerians to wait. I'm happy INEC is saying if there would be election today, there will be no outright winner. I think they are right. But we believe in NNPP that in the next few weeks, many things will happen in this country. And Nigerians, many people, especially those who are living in the air, there are people who are in the air now. They live there while we are here. They don't know the level of poverty in the country. They don't even know the level of anger and hunger in the country. Some of the candidates are even going around to say, we'll continue the good work of this government. Now, who's good work? Where is the good work? They're just campaigning themselves. They don't know. They thought that's what everybody wants to hear. They believe they are rich. Everybody is happy they are rich. They believe if they are going in the aircraft, everybody is there with them. What Nigerians are saying is who can save this country in terms of economy, in terms of dilapidated infrastructure that we see. And I'm happy I'm going on the road. I can tell you in my fingertips where there are issues of dilapidated infrastructure. In fact, it's easier to count where you see good road, 10 kilometers, than 100 kilometers of bad roads that we see across the country. So Nigerians are not waiting for you or any other person. Nigerians will take decision on their own. And many people don't even understand that in northern politics, nobody owns the voters. Voters don't have any forum to meet. Love and support goes around like virus. And once people take decision on a particular candidate, I can tell you nothing will change whether somebody endorses from the north or from the south or from outside the country. It doesn't matter. And I want to advise our leaders, please, if you see them, you tell them that they should not stop disgracing themselves. We have so much respect for them. If you say you don't like me, then you have a problem. If I become that old and at that level, and I'm sure the same with everybody, you want to come and start playing party politics, and especially politics that has to do with religion. Because that's the belief in this country. These endorsements have to do with ethnicity plus or religion. And I think some people should grow beyond that. Thank you very much.